Hey guys, welcome to Deodo. In today's video, we are going to solve this problem called second largest. So let's understand first what is the problem. So we have given an array of positive integer and we have to return second largest element from the array. So if the second largest element does not exist in the array, then we have to return -1. Note, the second largest element should not be equal to the largest element. Okay. So let's say here we have given an example. So this is an array, and from this array, as you can see, the output is 34. So we have to return 34 because from this array, the second largest element present in this array is 34. So that's why we have to return this number, 34 number. Let's see the another example. So here is the given array, and from this array, as you can see, 5 is the second largest element. As you can see in the third example, all the numbers are equal, like 10, 10, 10. In this array, there is no second largest element present. So we have to return -1. To solve this problem, what we have to do? First, see, from this array, we have to return, the output must be 34. Okay. So first what we will do, first we will sort the array, then from the sorted array we have to return array dot length -2. So after sorting the array, the second largest element in the array will be on the position of last second. First we will sort this array. After sorting the array will be 1, then 10, then 12, then again here I missed 1. Okay, so 1, 1, 10, then 12, then 34, then 35. Okay. After sorting the array, we have to return array dot length -2. That means array dot length means this position. This is 35. -2 means this position means 34. So the second largest element present in this position. So we have to return this position only. Array dot length -2. Okay. So this is the logic that we have to code now. First we will sort the array. So for int I is equal to 0 should less than array dot length. So for int j is equal to 0, j should less than array of length -1 minus I. Okay, so we have to minus the ith element as well. Then j plus plus. J will get increment. Then if array of j is greater than array of j plus 1, so we have to swap the element. So in temp, so I've take one example in previous video, so you can watch it how we can sort the array. So this is the code to sort the array. So after this code will be executed, our array will be get sorted. Okay. So after that, after the loop has been completed, then we have to return array from the array dot length -2. So this is the important step. Okay. From this we can return the second largest element. So this is the simple logic how we can solve this example. So first we have sorted the array and then we have to return the second largest. After sorting the array, we know the element will be present on this position. Then let's run the code and see. As you can see, the your output is this and the expected out is also this. This is all about this video. So thank you for watching this video.